know how this control works, you can part of the team there. Okay, I have been partially done. So many mundane connections that you have to do mechanical work, I have already done for you. Use your concept to make a hysteresis control work here. Write the perfect sinusoid. Okay. I am generating a reference, current reference. Run the simulation, you can check the current reference, how it works. Okay. And there are some unconnected blocks, right? On the left bottom side. Make them connected and let's see if you can make a hysteresis control work. And once you have made it work, please show me a screenshot of the scope probably. You can attach in the reply. Okay. Make it work. The hysteresis control and attach a screenshot. They have started. All of you please check if they have started.
The wire कैसे निकालते हैं इसमें से इसको turn
I hope that you have started recording. I have not visited the same stage which I did in the last time. Recording is important. Later I will see that if you are following all the steps or not. Okay. Oh, that just to actually test that when there is sudden step change, it is able to follow the reference or not. How fast is the dynamic response of the control? To know when you give a phase response to the reference, if it's a very slow control, it will take a long time to follow. Or it may not be able to follow up if you go unstable. So all those things we can test. Just test.
ये बनाना है
If you want, you can remove this one. Only. Yes, this is sine wave. We will go only sine wave. If you want, you can take triangle also. That is also fine. Is it?
कैसे करते हैं copy paste कर
Copy
देते
paste on the
हैं
simulation start from equal to 0. Okay. We cannot start it at equal to 0 minus or minus or less. Always we start from 0. In simulation we cannot do it. That also we can help. That also we can help. But I will suggest that you do it because it will be when the reference changes, the track continues to track that also. What you can do probably for the state direction change, the state magnitude you can change or make sure that there is no sway. You probably know the sway property that if it is changing from 1 to 5, make sure that it is changing from 1 to 1. That also you can do. But I will suggest that keep it there so that you can make your control better.
ने कुछ ग्राफ नहीं बनाते नहीं I mean values क्या देंगे सारी लाइंस कैसे निकाल रहे हैं मेरी ये वाली लाइन कलर्ड क्यों है? ऐसे क्यों आ रही है ये वाली लाइन कमेंटेड वो कहाँ से आता है रेफर करने से आता है डिलीट कर दो फिर कैसे किया दिखाया कैसे दिखाया कैसे इसको प्रो ये तो ऑलरेडी किया इसमें बीच में कुछ नहीं चाहिए सेमी थर्ड देखो सिलेक्ट करना होता है मैंने अभी सिर्फ ये बनाया है कनेक्टेड ट्राई नहीं सर का प्रॉब्लम में आ रहा अब वैसे वो S1 S2 का है ना S3 S4 इधर S1 S2 S2 ऐसा इस कैसे करना था सिलेक्ट कर लियो एरिया ये नीचे वाला तो एक ही आ रहा है ना जूम आउट कैसे करना है मैंने सेंड कर दिया वो 10 मिनट से ये दिख रहा है कैसे ही आना चाहिए ऐसा ही दिख रहा है ना ठीक समय
will try.
इसको
The current level.
initial number.
Using this step, step response to change from initial level to final level to 20.
ठीक है, मेरा कैसे आ रहा है? तूने इसी बात पे चेक किया ना?
रनिंग आ रहा है तो फिर दिखा क्यों नहीं रहा छोड़ दे इसको इसको
इसमें
अच्छा
टीवी नहीं करना पड़ता।
इस चीज को ध्यान नहीं कर सकता
कर रहे हो बहुत ज्यादा ही है गलती हो रहा है। मतलब इधर वाले में zoom कर रही हूँ तो ये भी zoom हो ही रहा है।
अब स्क्वायर आएगी ना तो ऐसे एटलीस्ट
कहाँ करे?
What is, tell me, anyone else facing the issue?
वास्तव में रिकॉर्डिंग
बस करने के लिए आज ही
Okay, it's working fine to 20, all of you. अरे don't simulate from so long. The past wasted time is fine. Okay, 5 to 20. You are getting work 5 to 20. Now, what is the current PhD? Please let me know at 5 ampere what is the current PhD measure, and at 20 ampere what is the current PhD. You measure both of them and type in the message 5 ampere PhD this much, 10 ampere PhD that much. Okay, do you know how to measure PhD?
अरे वो
Do
कुछ
you
तो
know?
यहाँ पे लाता है
If you don't know, raise their hand. Okay, nobody knows. Fine. See, you click on this. Look at this carefully. Cursor to click on. Okay. Now you have to measure PhD. You have to click on delta. Delta is the time. For the time that you want. Time you have to put 0.02 because this is 50 Hz, right? You have to measure PhD for 50 Hz cycle, fundamental. Then you also click on THD, right? So this is the THD I can get, right? So I now you have to move this window. Window I can move there and I can move it here. Okay. Now there are two things I am checking: product and inductor current. I want to know the inductor current PhD. Okay.
पूरी विंडो में साउंड करता है
Okay, you can upload a screenshot
लगभग
also if you want. Okay. For one of the THD you correct. You have to
जीरो
click
तो
on the symptom. See, this is the THD I am getting. 0.0816. That means
मेरा डेल्टा
0.125.
नहीं नहीं
See here, for inductor current, rate
जीरो
this
पॉइंट
is what
जीरो
I
टू
want for the THD. I am getting 0.08. Okay, and if I see the THD here, it is very bad. It is 40% THD. Here I am getting 8%. In one
तो लॉक
hospital
ही
I
हो
am
गया
getting
था
40%. So you just record the THD and post it as a screenshot and write down. Okay. At any one place you take a screenshot. Huh? THD is total harmonic distortion. Total harmonic distortion means other than fundamentals, how many frequencies are there?
कहता 0.02 पे फिक्स करो तो क्या तब मेजर करो। हाँ
ठीक है ना, इसी को स्क्रीनशॉट भेज देती हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है।
If I say in this table, let's say this is open and I am telling you it to 0.01,
कहाँ गया
this
वो टाइम,
happens
कहाँ
to
गया?
be now from 50 hertz. Okay. If I put 0.02 here, then put enter, then it is
इसको ना
50
जूम
hertz.
करो तो पूरा
Now
ग्राफ
this
मूव हो
window
जाएगा।
can be wherever you want. Okay.
मेजर भी करना है
If you
उसको।
down record the image. Okay, no need to actually insert there. No need because I will tell you and you need to see in your video. If you are doing this.
हो गया?
So this is what you need to do.
एंटर एंटर
You
कुछ
need
नहीं
to
होगा।
measure the AC time. Just move this window, move this cursor, and both of the cursors will move. If you have actually made the data
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो।
0.02, that is 1 by 50. 20 milliseconds. You know. I think. Okay. Anybody else? Having any doubt, please let me know. Hello? Any doubt here? Doubt है तो बताओ. Yes. 40% getting KC. Not getting. See, this is working 5 to 20, right? I am doing 1 to 5 here. So obviously, yes, it will be different. How much you are getting? Just post it. Okay, let me do 5 to 20 and you see, right?
अबे यार सैम्पलिंग का
क्या है 2.64388।
लोड कर दूँ ना? बस इसका देखो,
I am getting
इंडक्टर
2% KC, 2.04.
रिकॉर्ड देख ले।
And 8.16% for 5 years. Let me know if all of you are getting the same value.
प्लस है क्या? यस,
Please
नेगेटिव
do this. Please do this. If you have not done it,
मेरा तो 0.08 आ रहा है। इंडक्टर
फिक्स किया है। मेरा
मेरा
क्या आ
तो
रहा
वही
है?
आ रहा है ना।
यहाँ तो वही आएगा, इधर वाले में मेरा क्या सही आ रहा है?
जल्दी करो.
ये
अरे इसके दूसरा बताने से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है?
स्क्रीनशॉट ले देना।
One also do 550 years. 0.0. No, I this one will changing from 1 to 20. That is changed from 5 to 20.
0.08 का पोस्ट करना है 2 पॉइंट इसका 0.02 ये वाला पोस्ट करना है ये वाला पोस्ट करना है।
कोई भी इसको छोड़ेगा।
5%. One is not good. One is not good.
मैं इतने में प्रिंट स्क्रीन करती हूँ किसी का मैसेज आ जाता है।
You are something. Wherever you are, that is
पर
you are at 150 years. See, that is what is the case there. You are at 550 years. You have to see what is the case there. If you get there, you see what is the case. So, yes. See, at 1 to 5, no. See, you have to move this window. Look at here. See, you have to move this window. When I am here, what
ये
is the
ठीक
KCL getting?
है
0.08. When I am moving my window here, what is the KCL getting? 0.02%, right? Wherever you go, it will be 2% only. When you are in this current range. But when you are at 5 ampere range, you will always get 8.16%. Right? So, at wherever you are, that you have that KC you will know. Okay. If you come
कल भी यही कराएगा,
that five member
8 घंटा सो गया।
that is a wrong way of measurement. That you should not do. Either you should measure here or you should measure here.
इंस्टाग्राम पे
Okay. All of you are clear. All of you know now how to measure THC. Right. Are you changing from 5 to 20 ampere? 5 ampere, how much THC you are getting? 8%, right? Now, I want you to reduce the THC 8% to less than 4%, whatever value. Reduce the THC from your intuition. Do something in the simulation. That the THC drops to less than 4%, but you are not allowed to increase the current. See, one observation is clear that whenever you are increasing the current value, the THC is reducing. Why? Can anybody tell? Anybody? When you are increasing the current, right, the THC is reducing. Why is that? Correct. See, your harmonics are remaining same, but your fundamental is increasing, right? That's why your total harmonic distortion compared to fundamental. EHC is measured as a comparison to the fundamental. How much percentage harmonic distortion is there compared to the fundamental? So when your fundamental increases, but your harmonic remains same, what happens that your EHC reduces? But now I am asking you, at 25 ampere, when you are getting 8% THD, reduce it to 4%. You are not allowed to increase the fundamental. Do something in the simulation. Let's see what kind of answers you come up with. What is your answer? I want to see. Okay, don't post in the group or say it to me. I want everybody to figure this out yourself. I want to see what you are thinking. Don't post in the group if you have already found it. If you have gotten it, try something and reduce the THC when you are at 5 ampere. Do something.
सेट चेंज चेंज किया तूने? रन नहीं करना ना,
सिर्फ कंट्रोल डी से वापस जाना है।
Okay, you got it? Everybody got it? Everybody is able to see, don't say yes when I ask everybody, right? You got it. That does not mean everybody got it.
क्या चेंज किया?
क्यों चेंज किया?
कितना?
मैंने 2 कर दिया।
फ्रीक्वेंसी 25 कर दें तो
50 फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज
कंट्रोल प्लस टी। Awesome. जब तक पूरा रन नहीं हो जाता तब तक वैल्यू शो नहीं करता क्या?
Whatever value you should make calculation. Okay, 8% से reduce करो तो चलेगा. That means you know how to reduce, right? 8% से कम कितना चाहिए मुझे पूछ रहा है. ठीक है? Okay, those who have gotten it, please raise your hand. Okay, good number. Good, good, good. Rest of it. Now let's see. Please try. अरे अपने साइड वालों को मत बताओ कैसे किया, ठीक है?
फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करते हैं तो क्या होता है?
बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, 1000% तक समथिंग हो जाएगा,
हाँ,
बहुत ज्यादा है। तीन करेंगे
फ्रीक्वेंसी 25
रेंज क्या है?
फ्रीक्वेंसी अगर हमने भाई इतने बच्चे क्यों मैसेज कर रहे हैं और आप फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज कर रही है क्या? एम्पलीट्यूड तो 2 करना है बस, साइन वेव का। हाँ 2 करना है। ब्रो हिमांश, मैंने फ्रीक्वेंसी 49 करी तो भी होंगे, ऐसा क्यों हुआ? मतलब
50 का ही था ना, 49 का
समझ
Okay, how many of you now got the answer? Please raise your hand. Okay, so many more.
इसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर मैं मान इनपुट मेरा x है,
Okay, I think
अगर
now
आउटपुट
let us find out
b
the
is लिखा
secret term. So we see the drawing is there. So see, if those who have not got it, this is the noise riding over the sine wave, right? Difference. If you PhD is a noise, just pure noise, right? Measure of noise. So what you need to do is you have to reduce the band. If you reduce the band here, what will happen that your noise will also reduce, right? So those who have not done it, please reduce the hysteresis band and dB. Reduce the hysteresis band and you will see that PhD is improved. Okay? All of you, please try those who have not yet tried this.
एम्पलीट्यूड क्या रखना था? हाँ
Okay then, done. Everybody. Who has not yet done it, please raise your hand. If you have not done it, raise your hand. Okay. We will wait for some time. Please complete this. Please change the hysteresis band.
पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स समझ आ रही? पर ये सारे बहुत सारे सेशन ले रहे थे, सेशन हाँ एक्सप्लेन कर पेपर में हेल्प या तो अलाउड होता है ये मेरी ग्रीन लाइन फायदा इसके तो
अरे
वाइफ हो गया।
जलता क्या था ये जूम का हो गया अबे रुक जा अबे
कैंसर ये था
बना
एक्सपेंसेस कम करना
वो ज्यादा ही
राइट।
बैठो अबे नॉइज अच्छा ठीक
ESG नहीं था, ESG नहीं
तूने
था।
कुछ चेंज किया क्या चल देख लो
अरे ये इंस्टाग्राम की
खरीद लिया है।
व्हाट्सएप पे भी एड्स आएंगे स्टेटस जैसे, जैसे इंस्टाग्राम में आता है ना
हाँ
स्टोरीज देखो देखो,
लिया।
व्हाट्सएप पे भी एड्स आएंगे।
एक तो वैसे ही मैं इंस्टा पे कभी व्हाट्सएप स्टोरी देखती नहीं हूँ।
हाँ, मैं भी नहीं देखती हूँ।
मैं तो भूल ही गई थी वाली सही।
Okay, fine. Now shall we proceed to the next one? Anybody has any issue? Fine, right? Shall we proceed? Okay. Now please uh, go to the upper, means in the top level, upper level of the subsystem. Comment this out.
ये हटा दूँ।
Comment this in
ये हटाई
AC to AC B1.
सेव
Uncomment this. Everybody has uncommented. Go inside. Now wait. What you need to do is you have to make a diode rectifier here with this resistance. Okay. This will be a diode rectifier and you have to supply this DCE with some ESR and after that there will be this inverter. Okay. And all these things then you will solve. Please make this circuit and run. Diode rectifier. DC to AC is already we have done previously, right? Now we are doing AC to AC. This is an AC supply. On that there is another, we have RL load. There also we generate AC. But in between there will be a DC link, right? In the previous assignment we did, we had a fixed DC source. But in reality you don't have this kind of sources. You have to generate from the AC only, right? So that is now you are doing a practical implementation of the previous circuit. You did the DC to AC. Now where will the DC come? You have to rectify from the AC only. Everywhere we have AC. Because Tesla has won the fight between Edison and Tesla, right? That's why we have AC to DC. So you have to, if you have DC, you have to convert on AC only.
अटैच कैसे करना है bro? ऐसे कैंसिल नहीं ऐसे तो 3 बार वो सर ने बना दिया, आगे देखो आ गया, हटा दिया।
ये नेट एक लार्ज सिक्वेंस विद रेजिस्टेंस
ऐसे ही बनेगा ना? पहले ऐसे
C2 C
Okay, if you are modeling how to connect wire, drag a wire from a wire segment, you press control and then drag.
से करना है, सामने वाले ने तो ऐसे किया। फिर आगे इसको कैसे करना है? सीधे कनेक्ट करना है। अरे यार
Press control and drag from the line segment. Press control. Now drag, no. Keep control press. Now I drag from the line segment. Press control and you can drag from the wire segment.
मैं काफी देर से समझी नहीं कैसे करना है।
बहुत बढ़िया बात है। इनसे मैं ये सब प्रॉब्लम कर रही हूँ।
तो रन किस पे करना है? हाँ? किस पे रन करना है? कहाँ पे रन?
इधर जो हमारा था उसमें हम कर रही हूँ
तो सर वाले पे एडिट किया। तो जिद भी कुछ
अरे डायोड स्विच रेक्टिफायर भूल गए हो क्या तुम लोग?
1 घंटे रनिंग इसके लिए सिग्नल पर लेफ्ट साइड तेरे 1 घंटा आ रहा है।
इसमें रन करना है जानवी, इसमें किसमें
आ,
इसमें रन करना है, किसमें ये वाली ना?
Okay. How many
तो
of you
दोनों में ही
are not able to find it? देखो डायोड स्विच रेक्टिफायर ऐसा दिखता है। वो अभी भी नहीं दिखा है ना? कैसा
ब्रो
दिखता है डायोड स्विच रेक्टिफायर? This is how it looks like.
ब्रो मेरा ये ग्रिड करंट ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है? ऐसा
कनेक्शन वगैरह
तो जूम करना है क्या?
Potential output for the line controller. 8.5 to 20. Please make this 5 to 20. This is changing from 5 to 20.
21 में
अरे रुकेगा
this current level from the AC side. Okay. Display is already there. That I had already implemented all the displacement. Okay.
ऐसे
You
stop
just
करने
say
के
that
लिए
it is
ऐसे
changing
चलो
from 5 to 20 or not. Initially it is 5, finally it is 20.
तो ये steps
Okay. And it makes sure that your initial
ओ वाह
voltage is at 320 for the capacitor. Otherwise, you will see a very huge current spike at the beginning. Okay, because it needs to charge, right? So make sure that your capacitor initial voltage is at 320. Is your initial voltage 320 fine? All of you? Okay. Now you please run and let me know if you are getting this waveform on the left side.
क्या चेंज करना है
Are you getting this waveform? Huh?
तेरे से तो कुछ चेंज करना था क्या
On the left side, on the left side, then just go right this one. In your assignment, see here. If it is signal for left side, in that scope you will find. See this one. In this scope you should be able to see.
कुछ चेंज किया
If you have not deleted anything, this how you should define.
ये राइट साइड
अभी क्या चेंज करना है
Initial spike. Source not source inductance,
नहीं
source resistance.
ऐसे
ये राइट साइड पे है ना
No, source inductance or resistance. No, no, this is resistance.
अबे क्या
What this is just okay. Oh, here, this one. Ah, there I have got inductance. That's fine. Okay. Okay, that is not a problem. When is that inductance I will put zero, it will work. Let me show you. Zero. Okay, it is working. See.
इसका आ रहा है ऐसा
Okay. So your
इसका आ रहा है ऐसा
okay, inductance you don't need to put inductance or anything. Just put resistance. Okay, this kind of waveform you should get.
नहीं
And with this kind of waveform you should get. See it well, huh? Get it, everybody? Okay. DC link is charged at what voltage? DC link should be charged, right? At the beginning, DC link voltage, this one, is kept at 320 volt for you, right? So 325 if you are keeping there, around 350, around 350 is there, 350 is there, right? Fine. If you just post one or two waveforms, let me see what you are getting. Oh, see, if you have changed the resistance value, this is too much. Current spike is very high. Why this much current spike is coming? What is the resistance? This resistance value you have kept. See this resistance value. RJ 0.01 you have kept. Okay. And this is stacking on this side. This is going from 5 to 20. Is this happening properly? have not put the signals here, right?
हाँ ये नाम बता के दे दे तो फिर रिपीट कर दो यस
Okay, right, right. You are correct. I think this is the mistake. Okay, yes, you need to make it S2 S1. Make it S2 and this is S1. S2 S1, but don't put S3 S4. S3 S4, you can put S3 S4 also, but that is not needed because in the previous assignment you could not use this, right? You can delete this part. You can only with S1 S2 you can make it work. So you do it this way.
क्या करना
Okay, S1 S2 and this is S2 S1 you put. S1 S2 S2 S1. Okay. If all of you are happy with this, let me connect. It should work.
राइट साइड में डाउन में ओके
S1 S2 S2 S1 because it is the same thing, right? S3 S4 it is the generation is same.
इसको
Okay, I am getting it. With your subtracting you should get after connecting. This you are getting? Then let me know. You are getting this, right? Fine. Okay. Now please enter the if everybody is getting this waveform, please let me know. This is S1 S2 and S2 S1. You have to do this change. S1 S2 S2 S1. In the inverter side, this name you need to change. S1 S2 and this should be S2 and S1. That you have to do. Please do this. Done. Right? Working fine. This side tracking. Now,
100
this waveform, what is the current THD? Can you measure the current THD?
400
What is the current THD of the rectifier side voltage? AC side current, sorry, AC side current. Whatever you are measuring, what is the current THD? This current, this spiky current. Can you tell me what is the THD, current THD?
देखिएगा कि
Check the left side. Left side, please check. What is the current THD?
27
कर्सर ऑन कर रही हूँ तो मेरे नीचे देख क्यों नहीं रहा कुछ हैं मैं कर्सर ऑन कर रही हूँ तो देख क्यों नहीं रहा हाँ ना वो रील चला गया उसकी ट्रैक पे इससे ज्यादा हो ही नहीं रहा धीरे धीरे हाँ वही अटैच कैसे करूँ?
What if I anybody who are still not getting this? If I waveform from the left
मेरा
side,
नीचे ऐसे आ रहा है, दिख भी नहीं रहा है।
fine. The green line is the current, the grid side current. Okay, so you can see what is this side. This is the moving side. Where is the okay. See, if you are wondering which waveform is what, let me show you one thing. Guys,
सर कहाँ है
look at
मेरा?
this. This is very important that many of you are wondering that which waveform is what. So you just double click on this probe and you click on this I sign, this show component. You see that this component is being shown. So this inductor current, one waveform and another waveform, if I click on this, again another I, so this voltmeter. So if I now click on this, the green one is the inductor current and red one is the voltage. Okay, so this is the hierarchy. So which one is first and which one is second if you want to see. If you just click on edit curve properties, which one is at first and which one is negative, you will see. This is DC current and this is the moving average sum. Okay, so this is the moving average sum. So from where this is coming. Okay, so this way you can see which waveform is what, right? Now what I told you is see the current ESC, how much you are getting? Huh? 2.4, it's very bad ESC, right? Means 40%. Let me see how much we are actually getting.
सालों बाद साइन करते हैं।
We are getting
तो आती है।
2.4 means 240%. Everybody is getting this 240%.
कोई भी पॉइंट के लिए
So now we have to actually reduce this current ESC. Okay. So one thing let's first attempt. So how to reduce this current ESC? How to make this purely sinusoidal? Can you tell me how to make this purely sinusoidal? No,
जो पिछली बार क्या था वही
it's
करेंगे।
a rectifier, right?
रिले का
Diode is completely uncontrolled devices. So can you provide me a solution from where whatever you have learned from
ओ वाह
till this time? Ah, which you think that?
कितना ही काम कर लेंगे तो
On the
0.05 करना
so
पड़ेगा।
that is already sinusoidal. That I don't have to worry, right? You see this. This is purely sinusoidal, no? See this current is purely sinusoidal. My worry is this side current, this diode current, these pipes. See these diode currents are not sinusoidal. This is purely sinusoidal. Huh? Even if you use inductor, okay. Try using an inductor and see if the current is improved. It will definitely improve. It's a good idea. Try using an inductor. Well, I don't know where you will connect it, but let's see. If you have come up with the solution, please use this. Connect an inductor somewhere. So you are you you got it. The problem that we are trying to address is see this side source, right? This source is drawing a spiky current. Which one is this current? This blue one, right? And it is giving me a very bad THC. So what I want is I want to improve the situation. How much THC I am getting? 240%. This is 2.4096. Now you connect an inductor somewhere. This current improves. Okay. Reduce the THC a bit. Let's see. You got it? Everybody understood the question? What you need to do? Use an inductor to improve the THC.
वैल्यू कितने रखनी है इंडक्टर के?
107. What is the other inductance you have given?
0.001.
0.001. So if you increase the inductance, what happens?
कितना है इसमें?
Huh?
0.0.
54%. Good. So with inductance, you have to some extent you can address the issue, right? So 54% is actually in bad PhD, but it has improved. Okay, but you are not getting a proper sinusoidal wave, right? That you are not able to get. Now 54, can you improve it further with increasing the inductance? Now you see on the secondary side, is it still tracking? The AC is still coming when you are getting the 54%. Are
इधर
you
कितना आ रहा है
improving the
टीवी?
mix? Is the AC side output is fine or not? Fine.
और
Still fine? Okay.
1.5
Increase the inductance and see.
एक
10% you got 10%. Is the AC side is still tracking? Not tracking,
क्या
right?
इधर भी इंडक्टर
Yes.
लगाना पड़ेगा?
So this is the problem you will face. When you increase the inductance too much, what will happen that the drop at inductance will increase so much that your output voltage will now reduce because there is a capacitor, right? That voltage will reduce significantly. And when the voltage reduces, you can no more maintain the current at output side. So you are drawing a power so high from the AC side, but you are not able to supply that power. Why you are not able to
कितनी
supply that
फेज
power?
में देखो?
Your inductance has increased too much. If your inductance has increased, your drop has increased, and you are not able to supply that much power. That much it is drawing. Voltage drop is there, and you don't have sufficient voltage in the DC link to generate your AC at the output. So one problem of
यस
increasing the
आप
inductance
यस
is the
मुझे
inductance itself is a problem.
बस
Making
0.0.
inductance is a great thing.
0.7
That
तो
is
ऐसे
what
दिख
now
रहा है
I
ना?
think. One is you are using for how much? One is a base class inductor. Okay. I if it is designed for let's say 100 ampere or something, this will be at least the size of this table from
इसका
here.
दोनों
If
का
it is a
सेटिंग
box
चेंज
tube,
करेंगे
that
ना?
much big it can be. So you need a very small inductor first of all. If you want to
मैंने
address
उसका
this
भी
issue.
चेंज कर दिया था.
And another thing, you need a proper sinusoidal upward form. So what is
इसका
the
कौन सा
solution? What is
आएगा?
the practical solution? So all of you tried this inductance thing, everybody? How many of you still yet to try the inductance? At least you have introduced the inductance, let me see.
Inductors belong to this, right? This isn't including the current ESD. Increase the current, increase the inductance further. How much you are?
4% हो जाएगा.
You put
मेरे को 1 कर दे. 5 पर ज़्यादा लगा.
वाह इतना अच्छा देखो.
current has spike in spike now you see
0.1 ही है शायद.
right, but you see that easily voltage has is drop almost reach zero.
Okay.
0.1 हाँ.
So now, what is the solution? Please, anybody, because you know the solution. What to do there? Anybody, please, you already know. This you should answer. This you should answer. Very straightforward. What to do if I want a proper sinusoidal waveform here? What to do?
इंक्रीज.
What do you think? What can you do? Circuit change. My name is you have changed the circuit. Okay. Do not spoil this one. Understand? That's fine. Yeah, can do so. डायोड जीरो हो रहा है क्योंकि जब तक ये इस पोजीशन में नहीं जाए तब तक डायोड फॉरवर्ड पाथ नहीं करेगा तो ये एटलीस्ट कंडक्टर के लिए फॉरवर्ड पाथ okay what is the next solution PW how to use PW is a diode bridge rectifier. How do you want me to put it over? Huh? Yes. Use an inverter instead of a diode bridge rectifier. See, power can be fed from either side, right? If it's an inverter, if you change the current reference, you can feed the power from as you can feed the power from the DC to AC. Same way, if you just make the current reference negative, 180 degree out of phase, it will drag any current, right? So you can take the power from the AC to DC side also, right? Theoretically it should work. You are getting my point. In the past assignment, what did we do? We put an AC reference and it tracked perfectly. Now if I make the AC current wave for 180 degree out of phase, what it is basically I am doing? I am taking the power from the AC side to DC side. Okay, so let's try this in the third one. Please comment this out. Comment this out. And we are entering in the range of active rectifier. That's why this is called active rectifier. Okay. Also this is called power factor corrected rectifier. These are no more diode bridge rectifiers. Not, although there is a diode bridge hidden here. You can see, right? If you look at the four diodes, they form a bridge circuit, right? But the switches, they form an inverter circuit. So these are called active rectifiers. The role of active rectifiers is to make a proper sinusoidal output voltage waveform. Okay? So now your job is to make this circuit work. Previous circuit is done. You uncomment it. Okay, before we go ahead, I just want to discuss one important thing here. See, this is very important. Look at this thing. Let's say this is some halo of resistance, 100 ohm or something, okay? Some halo of capacitance and this is my
जाएगी या
325. Okay?
जाएगी
I want to control the voltage of this at 400 volt. At 400
Left
volt,
side
I
like
want to
that.
control the voltage. Let's say,
Wait for
okay,
someone
because
to
now I have to, if I am doing a, see, here I am doing current control, right? Here I am doing current control, and I have to maintain the swing voltage at a 400 volt to generate the current, right? If it drops beyond that, probably it won't work. But 400 voltage, I have to maintain it, right? So the current that you have to
इसे
inject
सॉफ्टवेयर
from
में
grid,
नेट तो नहीं चाहिए
it
ना
will be decided by this voltage controller, right?
क्या नेट तो नहीं चाहिए
So
ना
the current reference generation will be
इसके लिए
decided by the
इसको
voltage control of this capacitor.
मैंने डिस्कनेक्ट
Please pay attention. This is an important point. So what do we do is, let's say we are actually taking a reference current. We have to actually track reference current, right? So what we will do is we will check the
ऑन है
DC link voltage, VDC link. VDC link, what it has sensed. Okay, and we subtract it from 400. Okay, this is plus, this is minus.
करंट नहीं है
We subtract it. Now we feed it to a
खत्म
PI
करो
controller. PI, okay. Now this gives my I ref max. This will give my I reference
लास्ट
maximum
मिनट में
value,
देख इंडस्ट्री
which
में
I will multiply with a sine wave. Okay, if this grid is a sine wave, I will multiply it with my sine wave, and this will give my final I reference. Okay, now if this sine wave is perfectly actually in sync with this voltage sine wave, then I will have a perfectly sine wave following the grid voltage step. Okay, so here I reference generation. Previously you saw that what I was doing is I was just multiplying a step, right? Some step I was multiplying with a voltage
मुझे
template.
है भी
I was
तो
multiplying
ऐसे
a
बात
step. Now what is the value of that step? sinusoidal voltage maximum has the exact amount of sinusoidal current which
noise
will
को देखो
generate
खतरनाक
this 400 voltage current.
continuous noise
Is this part clear for you?
noise को
Or you have any doubt? This is a bit advanced. Okay, a bit tricky also.
20
Huh?
84
Okay. See, the goal is to control the voltage of the DC link at 400 volt. Okay. If you see that circuit, I have to control the voltage at 400 volt, right? Ideal picture. Is that fine? Is that clear for all of you? I have to control the voltage at 400 volt, right? Now, to actually control the voltage at 400, this resistance may be, it can change, whatever happens, but still the voltage should remain same at 400. So to do that, I have to introduce a control switch, which does that, right? And DC-DC converter, we have seen that a PI controller controls the output voltage, right? Whatever happens. So what we will do there, we set the output voltage, compare it with the say actually the reference and we generate the duty cycle. But in this case, what we are going to generate is the maximum
18
value of this
to
current that we are going to draw from the grid. Now see, if the grid voltage is let's say like this, okay, grid voltage is let's say like this. I can draw a small value of current like this also. I can draw a large value of current like this also. If I am drawing this current, okay, and if I am drawing this current for these two currents, my power drawn from the grid is different, right? And this power drawn will exactly match the power drawn by this load side also, okay? So to do that, what I will do is this current maximum value I will control. What is the maximum value of that current? That will be decided by the voltage controller of the DC link voltage. So generally the voltage controller in your DC-DC converter is the duty cycle for you, right? Duty cycle directly controls the voltage. In this case, your controller's output will be the maximum value of the current. Okay, because you see, if you let's say at certain point of time your voltage is let's say reducing 400 volt, it has come down to 380 volt, right? Let's say at that time what you need to do, you have to increase the current reference, you have to increase the current, right? If you do not increase the current, voltage will not increase. So what PI controller will do? It will see, it will the error is positive. So this I reference max will increase. The moment it increases, let's say it reaches 400, it will settle there. But say it has gone to 420 or by mistake. So what it will do? Now it will try to reduce the maximum current reference. Okay, because that will actually control your voltage. When you pump more current to the DC link, your voltage will increase. When you pump less current, it will decrease. Right? So you have to control that current. But you have to always make sure that the current is sinusoidal. Right? So that's why this current, this template that you multiply, this must be sinusoidal. And it only controls the maximum value of the current. Okay, either it is 5 ampere and 10 ampere or 15 ampere, that will be decided by the PI. But one thing we have to ensure ourselves that it is always sinusoidal. That's why we are multiplying it with this sign always. Is that clear? Is that clear?
selecting a gas station
Yes.
तो हमारे पास
Yeah.
इकट्ठा ही है।
So you are ready to also introduce dual loop control. This is also called inner current outer voltage. Inner current is displacing,
मेरे को
outer
लैपटॉप पे
voltage
चेक
is
करने में
detached.
बहुत ज्यादा रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही
This is I am giving you just a taste what we do in actual power electronics. Okay, step by step I am giving something little bit advanced,
हाँ
but you should get a taste. I believe that you should get a taste little bit advanced also.
अभी
Although you
वो
are
यूज
new,
कराया नहीं उसमें
but get a taste of this. How it is done in
इसलिए
actual
पता है
real life. We don't always
तुम्हारे पास में नहीं बिना पास में मेरी
we have great, we don't know where to use it. We know what is an inverter, we don't know where to use it. How to create an integrated system also we don't
साइड
know.
वाला
So in this in power
Okay.
electronics how these systems are built, and step by step we will do it so that you can understand it in a better way. So please try this. Okay, now you see this. What I am doing here is I am sensing the source voltage here, right? So source voltage I am generating the template. So you see, this is the template I am getting, right? Changing from this -1 to 1 or whatever. Okay. Now I am multiplying this with this I reference generation logic, and I am multiplying, right? Rest of it is just this places you have to do. This places is straightforward. You just connect them. I ref and all. I have not connected it. You do this connection first.
अबे यार इतनी वेटिंग
First
कौन
you make
देता
this
है?
I reference generation for generation of S5 S6.
49%
S5 generation you do first. Hispaces, simple hispaces. Okay.
yes, yes.
This is I reference. You are subtracting from the current
कौन सा
and
वाला
you are
खुल रहा
putting
है?
this in the relay block. Okay. This we did in the past assignment.
ओ नीचे
Today past one was this.
क्या करना है?
After you have done this, you go to the I reference generation logic
क्या करना
and you try to make this controller yourself.
क्या बनाना है?
Okay, this constant block, if you want to see that if it is
कर दे
working, okay. I have made this displaces, right? First you have to see that if it is working or not.
चल
See,
मेरे
this is
साथ
working,
चल
okay. And you see that this current is dropping. Okay, it is not being controlled properly. So from 400 it dropped. Okay, so what you need to do is, and you see as the voltage drops, so current control is lost. So what you need to do is you need to remove this constant and you have to generate this current reference and give it to the input of the subsystem, output of the subsystem. Okay. So this is just to test your logic. It needs to be tested. Then you can use this constant. Please try this. You need to do the voltage control of this output side capacitor. Okay. Output side capacitor voltage control you need to do. Sense the voltage PV ceiling sensor I have already put in inside. You can check in IDF generation logic. It is already there. This is the displayed voltage and this is the reference. So I will subtract this and give this to PI.
ठीक है आपके
Then I
फिर
will
मगर
generate the reference. Okay. If I do this, it should work. See, it works. For me, it works.
ये आई रेफरेंस कैसे डाला है चक्कर लग मैंने कॉपी कर लिया तो वहीं से ले सकती है ऐसे अरे यहाँ से आई रेफरेंस के ऊपर वो चोची नहीं है कहाँ है ये वाली में तो नहीं ये देख इस पर करंट हो ही नहीं रहा अरे वो हो जाएगा हाँ इसमें उसमें कैसे करूँ इसे छोड़ देना समझ लाइन में ला गया
You are getting all of you. So is this clear? How you are generating the current reference to make to do the output capacitor voltage control. Let me know if you have any doubt here. You can, if you want, you can change the resistance little bit and you can check. It is 100, right? Make it 50 and make it 1. If you put 50 and if it is work to compound, you can check. Okay. Now dynamically you can change the resistance also. If it is 50, make it 500. 50 to 500 directly, dynamically. See, there is a large oscillation case when I did 50 to 500. But it is controlled. Okay, 50 to 500. This kind of dynamic changes online you can try. Now 500 to
ये करना है ना इसमें वाला दिखाना है इधर
it may not work. It
इसमें
will work.
आई रेफरेंस जनरेटर लॉजिक में करना है ना हाँ जितना
Okay, at A it works. But you see that capacitor voltage ripple has been increased.
सही
Significantly. If you draw too much power, electrical power, your capacitor voltage will increase. Sorry, ripple will increase. Although the average is at 400
इनको दिखाना
microfarad,
सर सर
and 10 to 500 also I did.
मैंने
But
उसके आगे क्या
today
करना है
I will try to
फिर मैं एक्सपाइट लगा
and you will see. See it works.
वहीं उल्टा नहीं
Try to change this dynamically. Change the resistance 100 to 50, 50 to 10, 50 to 500 dynamically, and you will see if this is
फर्क
working.
तो एक ही चीज करेगा ऐसे नहीं चेंज कर सकते इतना सही ऐसे
एक्सपाइट का प्लान
Something like this. If you do dynamically, you will
गिराने प्लस में
significantly
कोई
change.
नहीं एक बार क्या चेंज करने हैं
एक यहाँ भी था
क्या चेंज करने हैं यही बना
हाँ
चेंज करेंगे
Are you done? Everybody working?
कनेक्ट तो है ना सर
मेरे से भी नहीं आया नहीं आया
That control has output.
एक रखना है कांस्टेंट
See,
अभी लाना है
this can you are doing in ideal generation logic. Okay, you remove the constant. Okay, this constant I have removed and I have connected the output of the PID controller. Please do this.
सो कनेक्ट कैसे करना
Okay,
है ये
ideal generation logic should be like this. Remove the constants and do this way. If you are actually injecting a constant current, then you can try changing the resistance and all. It will not work. Okay. And you see your I reference changes. How it changes your I reference. This is how your I reference will be if you do dynamic change. And this is the maximum value of the I reference that is being multiplied.
सबको बताना टाइम हो गया
आपको हाँ
मेरे मोहित मुलानी को कितनी बार मैसेज किया कि बच्चे हर चीज को मैसेज किया जाए, बड़े खाते हैं। फिर बात सुने हमारा टाइम
एकेडमिक से चला लेना।
अकेडमिक नहीं हो रहा कर रहे लैपटॉप भी चोरी का माल खाने में आ गया। लैपटॉप को भी चोरी का माल खाने में सब पे आते हैं। जानने का क्या है? मुझे नहीं खा रही, आज भी खा रही। क्या नहीं ऑब्सेशन है।
Okay. Okay. Please try dynamic changing. Dynamically change करो इसको. Resistance change dynamically while overpass. While simulating, change the resistance output. Resistance dynamically and see how the controller is behaving for you.
डिस्टेंस पे करके मैंने ये चेंज कर दिया आर्ट कितना
कौन सी रेजिस्टेंस चेंज करोगे? R2 या R4? R2 चेंज करते हैं, R4 चेंज करते हैं, R2 2.01 हाँ ये वाले ना 150
मेरा स्टिमुलेशन चल रहा है नहीं अब मेरे को चेंज करने नहीं देता है ना स्टिमुलेशन होने के बाद मेरा गलती है चेंज करेंगे
ये आ रहा है इसको जूम आउट करिए
कुछ नहीं हुआ मेरा तो
नहीं होगा अभी होगा पूरा नहीं होगा इसका मतलब क्या दो बार चेंज किया जान रही
बहुत बस चेंज
एक ही बार आया
मैंने 60 किया था बीच में वो तो ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो गया था मैं फर्स्ट कर ही नहीं पाई
तो डबल स्क्रीन पे ले लेना
चेंज करती थी
कोई बताए सर बस काफी नहीं है क्या? अच्छा नहीं हो रहा पापा तो क्या मैं देखूं? एक मिनट बस कॉल आएगी तो वेट करो। भाई मेरे को लग गया।
Okay. Everybody is still stuck. Please raise your hand if you are stuck in this step. All of you completed this step. Raise your hand if you have completed. Okay. Please put down your hand. Please put down. How many of you still have not completed? Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. अरे बहुत लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम हाथ नहीं उठाया. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि if you are not raising hand for completion, you are not raising hand for incompletion. तो one और zero ही है. क्या है? चले assume that all of you have completed. Who has not completed? If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. If you have doubt, raise your hand. You have done it. Done. Working. Okay. Okay. I will assume that you have completed. Okay. Now the last step. Your last step is very easy. Uncommon places is assigned to you. Nothing to do here anymore because you have completed all the steps, right? First step you have
कुछ लिख लेंगे अभी
taken
तो
to a scene.
कुछ
Second
लिखा
step
कुछ
you
लिखना
have
है
taken to a scene. What
नहीं
is the
लिखा
absolute identifier and doctor?
लाइक मैंने पिछली
The
बार तो
last
किया था
step you
सेम
have
ना
done
कुछ
the
लिखा था असाइनमेंट का नाम और वो लिखा था सारा टिक करो तो
now
कुछ
you
फर्क
just
नहीं
do
पड़ा
an AC to AC with both of the sides fully current controlled and the heat which is the capacitor. There is no voltage part. Just
हाँ
connect the AC. When once
वही
you have
वही
done
वही
that,
मुझे
will
रियलाइज
it
हुआ
work?
पागल हो गए थे
Will it work or not? Okay. The last AC to DC what you have used, I want you to replace it with the means I want you to replace the diode switch rectifier with that. So basically that's what we are doing here, right?
कितने कितने सॉफ्टवेयर हो सकते हैं हमारे कई मैटलैब भर रहे हैं कई पिछली बार एलटी स्पाइस किया था अब ये लग लास्ट में बच्चों ने एसडी प्रोफाइल लिखा
Please connect them and see if it
आनंद
is
चाहता भी था टीआई
working for all of you.
चाहता था वो
Just connect them and see.
क्या कनेक्ट करना है इससे
Okay, infra control is not. I think I have not connected them. Please connect the infra control. Okay, this is already there. You can see it, just connect it. It's working. Okay, connect the rectifier control. I don't know if it is done. See, it should look like this.
इन्वर्टर कंट्रोल में ये चीज यूज करना रेक्टिफायर कंट्रोल तो इन्वर्टर कंट्रोलर दिखा था इसमें क्या कनेक्ट करना है इसको इससे करना है आगे ये वाला हाँ ठीक है, बस यही करना है।
ये ब्लॉग इस तरह से पूरा कनेक्शन एक बार कनेक्शन कर जाओगे तो अगर जो मेरा टीवी से कनेक्शन ही बन रहा है और यहाँ पे मेरा यूट्यूब नहीं बन रहा है, जाऊँ कहाँ मैं? तुम लोग तो पालोगे नहीं मुझे, जाऊंगी तो पाएगी कहीं ना कहीं।
सवाल है, सब सबमिट दे दी, वो दो लाइनें हमें क्यों जोड़नी पड़ रही है, वो भी जोड़ दे।
वही तो।
वो क्या ना नेक्स्ट कनेक्ट करना ही पड़ेगा।
ये लेफ्ट साइड है, ये राइट साइड है। ये राइट साइड इतनी अजीब सी है।
All of you please connect the rectifier control and inverter control inside. Connect.
अरे राइट साइड में तो सुंदर क्यों आ रही है?
Correct.
ऐसी आएगी ना ये?
तो तो राइट साइड कैसी है?
मेरी तो ऐसे आ रही है।
मैं भी राइट
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक
Rectifier control, rectifier. Oh, you have not connected them together, man. Connect them together. These new subsystems they should not connect.
है। उठाई ले तो कर लो। सोचो मैंने तो कल का बात को क्या ब्रेक डाउन।
फिनिश हो गई।
Now can you tell me what is the currently on the left hand side what is the currently you are getting? Yeah. At steady state, let's say at 1.0 something, what is the currently now?
वो देखो ऐसे करके मुझे करना था, मैंने तो कर दिया
कहीं ऊपर चली गई।
What's the current DHD that we are getting? Zero.
What I can reduce it further, right?
8% में एक 3 point something था। I think actually मेरा 2.4 आ रहा है। I mean ये difference basis you
So this is the equivalent that you get over previously. If you remember without this rectifier we are getting very bad DHD. Now we are getting very good DHD. Right?
क्या हो रहा है
So
5.6?
this is the overall system which passes in all criteria. Okay. We have voltage control, we have current control, and we have quality.
मेरे में 0.08 आ रहा, मैं इस पे THD ले रही
मेरे को 0.01 आ रहा। कहीं
नहीं, मेरा पॉइंट 87% आ रहा है।
मेरा मुंह
हो गया बस लॉक कर दे। अदरवाइज स्टॉप करते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग। स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग।